rainy day, and this is a common intersection. I'll be approaching a four-way stop sign where for some reason on this particular street, a lot of people don't stop. I've almost been T-boned on this street almost weekly to the point where I actually don't normally turn left at this intersection. So watch as I approach, and let's see who's at fault. Who would be at fault here? Remember, this is a four-way stop sign. Now, the person who gets there first before the other cars has the right of way. So I let the pickup truck go. As a courtesy, I let the other SUV go, and watch this guy in the black Lexus. As you can see, he decided to tailgate the SUV in front of him and didn't feel like waiting an extra 3 seconds for me to go, because where he was going was so much better and more important than the safety of me and the occupants in my car. That's just the world, unfortunately, we live in. Now, the thing is, I have a dash cam, so thankfully this insurance claim would have worked out fine. Most people don't. What would have happened in this case? No doubt, bad drivers like that Lexus, what they would have done is gone home and told their insurance carrier that I jumped the gun and it was his turn at the four-way stop. I see this all the time. And the problem is, without any witnesses, my insurance company would either take 50% fault or, maybe even more, even though he clearly ran the stop sign. So in these cases, it's really important that you either get a witness immediately if you can find one at the scene, and if you can't, you're kind of potentially screwed in these cases. We can argue points of impact, but those don't always help at the four-way stop. Insurance companies don't want to touch these types of cases much, so it's very important you have a dash cam. But in this case, clearly the other car would have been at fault because it was my right of way, even though he was tailgating and piggybacking on top of the car in front of me. Accident pros will take it from here.